Watch your head. So just step here, slide in. Good job, bud.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't know how you do it.
Yeah, see, I have a really tall sitting height. I got short legs, so you've got real long legs. So here, put your feet on the pedals and push back. Is that as far as it goes?
I can go more, but
okay.
That's
so put your heels.
I can't reach the other one.
It'd be tough, yeah, but I mean
This one I cannot.
It'd be tough, yeah, but I mean, yeah, go forward.
I can't.
Oh, you can't? Oh, your knees hitting the floor. Yeah.
So no cars, no helicopters, no.
My commander was 6'5", like you. When he flew, and we used to fly F-16s.
I'm 7'2".
Oh yeah, you'd have a hard time. But he would taxi by like this.
But I can bring the pedals close. How you bring the pedals close?
Yeah.
Can you bring it close?
Yeah.
So
it'd be tough.
Be 2 minutes flight up and down. Well, what's the max you go here?
Not, it's more forward and back. You don't go a lot to the side, so
okay.
It's more this.
Okay.
But this is about as you might want to try that sky crane down there, that Ericsson, that big orange one, or the H-53s. They're bigger than us.
Really?
Yeah.
So you do border patrol, or
we do? We're not border patrol, but we do border patrol, maritime interdiction, tactical team insertions. We just got back from Hurricane Harvey, did a bunch of rescues.
Oh, wow.
So we do everything.
You go all over.
We do. We go all over. You bet.
How I get out now? I forgot.
Okay, so slide around here. 1 foot over there, and you're just there. You go. There you go. Step right on that step. Oh, you don't need to step on the step.
In case of emergency, I'm stuck. I won't be able to get out of it.
Trouble.
I'm like dead.